Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Motorola. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and select security. Then tap on face unlock and enter your current login method. After that, you need to choose setup at the bottom right corner, then setup again. And remember to keep your face in frame. Over here you can adjust all of those face unlock settings by tapping on the switchers next to one of those features. And when you're ready, select Next. After that, click on Got It over here, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!